Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Leela Polymers, leading global trading house in polymer and petrochemical products. Metals Update has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21 Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all you need to know about the Indian copper market. Indian refined copper consumption, production and price forecasts have been provided till the year 2020-21, and one-time purchase gives you access to all future updates in 2017. So hurry and buy a copy today. Crude oil prices declined last Friday. While WTI traded at US dollars 53.99, down 46 cents per barrel, Brent finished at 55.99, down 59 cents per barrel. Open spec naphtha prices were also assessed lower last Friday at US dollars 508 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a fall of US dollars 3 per metric ton from last Thursday. Last week, propylene prices dropped on account of dull demand trends in key markets like China, coupled with weaker upstream naphtha values. Prices were at US dollars 1010 per metric ton CFR China levels, a week-on-week fall of US dollars 15 per metric ton. Ethylene prices edged lower in parts of Asia. Prices were at US dollars 1140 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, a fall of US dollars 10 per metric ton from the previous week. Weak buying interest supported the price decline. Prices in Northeast Asia were assessed steady at US dollars 1380 per metric ton CFR levels. Benzene prices tumbled in Asia last week, falling by US dollars 45 per metric ton to US dollars 965 per metric ton FOB Korea levels. The sharp price drop was mainly on account of softer demand trends in the region, coupled with a plunge in downstream SM rates. SM prices also plunged last week in Asia, with prices assessed at US dollars 1390 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a steep week-on-week drop of US dollars 60 per metric ton. A tumble in upstream benzene rates, higher SM inventory levels in major markets like China, and a sharp fall in downstream PS values together pulled prices of SM lower across the Asian region. In Europe, ethylene and propylene prices galloped higher last week. Ethylene prices last Friday were at Euro 1095 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels, a surge of Euro 115 per metric ton from the previous week. Propylene prices were at Euro 915 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels, a week-on-week spike of Euro 95 per metric ton. Persistent tight regional product availability and strong demand trends together supported the price rise. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders make business-critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. Thank you.